Today we're going to talk about body parts. This is called a neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. This area is called a chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. These are called shoulders. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S. Shoulders. This is the stomach area. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. This is a hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. This is a thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. These are fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. These are called legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. This is a knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. This area is called an ankle. A-N-K-L-E. Ankle. This is one foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. These are feet. Two are feet. One is foot. So 2 feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. These are called toes. T-O-E-S. Toes.